Welcome students. I hope you all are good and fine and fit in your health. Myself, Miss Rakia Mustafa, and today I'm back with the new topic that is cooperation. In your previous session, you have learned all about the place value. Now we are going to start with the cooperations. You must know what are all of you must know what are cooperations. That is addition, subtraction, multiplication, and division. Hope you all familiar about this term. Now let's start with addition first. Okay, in the previous process, although you have done with addition, but today I will tell you that how to add the bigger numbers. Okay, if you have a larger number, so how you going to add the numbers? The procedure will remain same for adding the numbers. Like here are two numbers you can see on your screen. The first one is 56 crore 68 lakh 73,810. And the second one is 42 crore 27 lakh 19,315. Okay. For adding the numbers, the procedure will remain same that what you have to know, don't forget to mention the place value on the numbers. First, you will write the place value and then you will put the numbers and according to the place value in the respective columns. Okay, one more thing before addition or subtraction or multiplication. Whatever the operation you are doing, you must keep this thing in your mind that we always supposed to write the bigger number upside or on the top. It doesn't matter if which number is written first. We will not follow that this number is written first, so we will write this number on the top. No, you always have to compare the numbers first and you have to pick the bigger number that and you will write that number on the top or the first, and then the rest of the numbers you will write below that number. That you can see in the example, you see that here is 56 crore is greater than 43 crore. So we will write this number upside and the next number downside or below that number. I'm again telling you that it is not about that this number is written first, you will write it upside. No, you will first check the numbers, compare the numbers, and then you will write the bigger numbers on the top or above. Now here we can see the place value is mentioned, and then according to this place value, the number is written in their respective column. Now you will going to add the numbers. 5 plus 0 plus 5 is 5, 1 plus 1 2, 8 plus 3 11. Now when there's 11, there are two digits, so one digit, the first digit you will carry to the next number and the next digit you will write over here in the answer. Same 9 plus 3 is 12 and plus 1. You will add the carry 1 is 13. Now there are two digits. The first digit, that is 1, you will carry to the next number and the next digit you will write in the answer. Now 7 plus 8 is 7 plus 1 is 8 plus 1 9. 8 plus 7 are 15. So 1 is carry and the 5 is in the answer, and the same way you will add up all the numbers. The numbers, there are also a term used for the number. The first two numbers that we are adding, so these two numbers are called addends. Addends are the numbers which we are going to sum up. So both the numbers we call addends, and the answer we got after adding these two numbers, the answer we call is called sum, because we have sum of the numbers and we have find the total amount, so the answer we call sum. Okay, now we are more towards the story sum, and I will tell you how can you recognize that which operation is going to apply and the story sum. You can see on your screen there's a chocolate shop, and shopkeeper, what is he selling? There are different kind of chocolates over here, and he's also supposed to sell the chocolate. Now, one day he was thinking that how much he earned in 2 days. Okay? So he want to he wanted to know that how much chocolate did he sell in 2 days. So here is the story sum that you can see on your screen. A shopkeeper sold 31,29,305 chocolates on Monday and 17,99,856 chocolates on Tuesday. How many chocolates did he sell in all? Shopkeeper, so this much amount of chocolates sold on Monday and this much amount of chocolates he sold on Tuesday. Now he wanted to know that how much chocolates did he sell in these 2 days. When there's a word is all or all together, it means is the story sum is about addition. That you have to apply addition in this story sum because he wanted to know how much chocolate did he sell in 2 days. So he has to add the, these two numbers. So he come to know the total amount he earned in these 2 days. So what did I tell you? That we always first we compare the numbers and the bigger number we always supposed to write on the top. It is not about this number is written first, we'll write it on the top, but and here is obviously the first number is the bigger number because it's 31 lakh and there is 17 lakh. So the 31 lakh 29,305 we write on the top and 17 lakh 99,856 chocolates that he sold on Tuesday, we write it downside. Now we will add the number, his addition that 5 plus 6 is equal to 11. So 1 is carry, 1 is here. 5 plus 1 6, 8 plus 3 11. So 1 carry, 1 is here. 9 plus 9 is 18 and 19. 9 plus 2 11 and 12. 7 plus 8 plus 9 and 3 plus 1 is equal to 4. So what are the total number of chocolates he sold is 49 lakh 29,161 chocolates he sold on in all. Now you know very well that after addition there is this ending statement as well that you must write in all story sum in the end. When you find out your answer, after finding out your answer, you have to write the ending statement and all the story sum. That is very necessary. So how are you going to make this ending statement? By taking the last statement of the question. Means you have written how many chocolates. So now you have already find that this much chocolates he earned on two in all. So you will write the shopkeeper sold 49,29,161 chocolates in all. Here's one more example that Vicky traveled 2,39,305 kilometers and Rishi traveled 1,45,690 kilometers. Now, how many kilometers did they travel in all? Now you can see there is a word again used all. Means Vicky traveled this much distance and Rishi traveled this much distance. Now you have to find out by combining how many kilometers did they travel. So the bigger numbers you will write upside and there is the word is all or all together. So it means you will also apply addition in this story sum. You will write the bigger number upside and the lower number downside and now you're going to add these numbers. You can see on your screen there's addition. Now this much distance they cover in all. Means both of them have covered this much distance or travel. Now you write the ending statement. It is the most necessary part of your story sum. After solving the sums, so They traveled, how we make the statement, they traveled 3 lakh 85, sorry, 3,84,995 kilometer in all. Okay, this is all about addition. Now, whenever there's one more video, and in that video, I will tell you about, I have told you about subtraction.